वेलकम बैक टू द हिस्ट्री कैप्सूल। पार्ट 2 में हम जा रहे हैं भारत के दक्षिणी राजवंशों और प्राचीन शकों की गहराइयों में। दिस इज द कंटिन्यूएशन ऑफ न्यू एम्पायर्स एंड किंगडम्स। The Pallavas ruled from Kanchipuram. They were known for their grand temples, stone architecture, and military strength. Their capital became a center of culture, trade, and learning. Kings were supreme, supported by ministers and local assemblies. Land revenue was the main source of income. Mahabalipuram was their crown jewel. यहाँ पर चट्टानों को काटकर मंदिर बनाए गए, एक इंजीनियरिंग की जीत। The Chalukyas ruled from Badami. They were fierce warriors and skilled temple builders. Aihole is known as a cradle of Indian temple architecture. Pallavas and Chalukyas often fought battles. कभी विजयनगर के किनारे युद्ध, कभी दक्षिण के मंदिरों के पास। Their rivalry shaped southern political history. After the Guptas declined, one king emerged who tried to reunite North India, Harshavardhana or Harsha. He ruled from Kannauj. Xuanzang, the Chinese traveler, described Harsha as a fair, generous and intelligent ruler. Harsha organized huge religious assemblies. He donated generously and maintained a strong army. He conquered regions from Punjab to Bengal. South India remained out of his reach due to the powerful Chalukyas. Ancient Indian kingdoms relied on infantry, cavalry, war elephants, chariots. Soldiers were paid in cash, land or share of loot. Elephants played a big role. ये जंग का tank था. Large kingdoms needed a strong administrative system. Officials collected taxes, maintained law and order. But over time, some officials became very powerful, almost like mini kings. इससे सेंटर की शक्ति कम होने लगी. History often highlights kings, but queens also held authority. Some ruled as regents, some controlled local areas, some were donors to temples. उनके प्रशस्तियों में उनकी शक्ति और दान का उल्लेख मिलता है. This chapter revealed Prashastis and royal image building, Samudragupta's achievements, South Indian powers, Pallavas and Chalukyas, Harsha's kingdom, warfare systems, queens and administration. ये था पार्ट 2। अगर आपको ये डिटेल सीरीज पसंद आई हो तो द हिस्ट्री कैप्सूल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।